Good morning and welcome to day 11. Today we are heading to Nordkapp. We're an hour and a half away from Nordkapp. We are currently staying in Fig. And it's meant to be raining all day. So, yeah. One of the biggest things we wanted to come to Norway for, to the Arctic for, was to get to the north of Norway, into Nordkapp. And now it's going to be wet, miserable, raining all day. We probably won't be able to see anything, but hey ho. I think this is the clearest it's going to be all day. Just bumped into two bikers from Switzerland, and they are coming back down from Nordkapp, and they said it's full of reindeers and really nice, and the weather keeps on changing, so we might be quite lucky. We'll see. Go tell Cat there's loads of reindeers. Morning.
Hey.
So I just bumped into two bikers from Switzerland, and they came back down from the Nordkapp, and they said it is filled with reindeers. So I thought you'd want to know.
What are we doing?
Okay, off to the Nordkapp. We've got 80 miles worth of range, and the next petrol station is in 130 miles apparently. But we might see reindeer. I hate waterproof. I wasn't scared.
You totally were scared.
I wasn't scared. You were scared.
You were scared.
I thought we were going to run out of fuel in literally the most northern part of Europe. We got 231 miles out of that tank. It still said we had 30 left to do. But it was dropping rapidly.
I'm good.
It's a beautiful sound, isn't it? I wasn't scared. I wasn't scared. I knew there'd be fuel, you know. Oh shit, I'm just pissing. Is there a cloth? Just piss fuel all over the tank. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and subscribe. We'd really appreciate it.
Bloody everywhere.
You've made a right mess of that, haven't you?
Sun's out.
The last you'll see of that. Right, next stop, Nordkapp. sum it up for us.
We're very far north.
Do you know why the Norwegian Navy have barcodes on their ships? Because they're Scandinavian. Because they Scandinavian. Scandinavian? Scandinavian?
I don't know whether to laugh or cry. Sorry. Oh, I'm going to sort my hair out.
I've trusted Kat with her judgment. She told me this cream. It's a clotted cream.
Yeah, it might be.
And I said, the sign said sour cream. She thought we got lost in translation. But what is it, Kat?
Sour cream.
Say it again. To the camera, please.
Sour cream.
It's sour cream. So we're having waffles with jam and sour cream.
Quite nice.
Like, I'm really happy that we made it, but I am a bit disappointed there's no snow.
I'm not convinced that that's not ice down there.
I think it's just waves.
There is movement over the top of it.
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yeah. I mean, if that is ice, then I'm over the moon. Jobs are good.
I think that might be ice.
Or a whale's got very excited.
And it's more yellow.
Oh yeah, you know about animals, don't you? Oh. Ruined my jizz joke. She does this every time. Every time. Safety rail, cat. Safety rail, cat. I hate shit like this. Why you gotta do this to me? Look at it. Sheer death. Cat. I don't know why you make me come to these places. Edge of the fucking world, Cat.
You wanted to go to the north.
Yeah, but there where all the safety barriers are. Look at you.
Don't you go too close. There's up. Oh, pretty. Well done.
It looks like ice.
It does. That's perfect.
From the Arctic.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, because you started a trend now. Look, everyone wants to copy you, the daredevil. Look what's happened. Look.
Oh, fuck. Okay, we better escape before somebody actually...
Yeah, before someone dies.
Not before somebody dies.
We've quite literally ridden to the end of the world.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
It is pretty cool. You know this though. I've got a rock.
High fives.
That was pathetic.
I thought he was pointing at me bike. And look, it's a portrait of me. My Nordic garden just didn't know it. Pretty similar. Oh, portrait cat. No, that one's cheerier. Happy that one. Have to keep an eye out for those.
I'm having a good time.
So that was the North Cape. North Cape. One day we'll learn how to say it.
We'll look it up in our little book like the birds later on.
Now heading back to the bike, and we got get on the way. We're going to try and get a sneaky photo with the monument in the background. They've buried it all off, so we can't get a photo. We managed to sneak back and get the shot. Yeah, nailed it. Can't stop us. Right, let's go. 149 miles to go. So we're going to get there at 6:30. It's going to be dark. So that was the Nordkapp. Thanks for watching. We've got to head home now. It's got 150 miles to go, as well, and it is bloody miserable. And I can't see anything out of my visor. So if we don't see you, thanks for watching. Please think about subscribing. We did it. We made it to the Nordkapp. So now it's easier mile days and more scenic routes. Have some more decent footage for you. So thanks for watching. Don't forget, shave your balls, smell your face, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.